Hello, boys and girls. So as you know, we have just started Chapter 7, and we are working with organizing information and graphs. And today we're going to be talking about making a table. So we'll start with a story problem. And so the story problem here on this page up here at the top says that Kimmy buys a t-shirt. It has a stripe on each sleeve. It has 4 words and a picture on it. Which shirt did she buy? And you can see shirt number 1, number 2, and number 3. So from the description, from the story that I read, we're going to make a table to figure out if she bought shirt number 1, number 2, or number 3. So first we need to understand. So we're going to underline the parts that we know. We know that Kimmy buys a t-shirt. That's already underlined. I think it'll be best if it's already underlined on the page. And so I think it'll be best if I just don't try to trace that. Okay. So we know that Kimmy buys a t-shirt. We also know that it has a stripe on each sleeve. We know that it has 4 words on it and a picture on it. Now, they have already done this, circle what we want to find out. We want to find out which of these shirts did she buy. So make a plan. That means how are we going to solve this problem? Well, today we're working on making a table. So we're going to try to solve this problem by making a table. And so down here by number 3 here, that's what they've done. Okay, shirt number 1, shirt number 2, and shirt number 3, and then we're going to answer some questions about those shirts. Okay, with shirt number 1, is there a picture on it? No. Trace. Well, you don't have this paper, but I'm going to trace that. No. Are there words on it? And how many words? There's 1 word on it. Does it have stripes on the sleeves? Yes. Okay. Shirt number 2. Now we're focusing on this one. Is there a picture? Yes. How many words are on it? Okay, that's pretty tiny, but thank goodness we're tracing here. It says that there are 4 words on that shirt. And then the last one, does it have stripes on the sleeves? Yes, it does. Okay, and then when we look at shirt number 3, is there a picture on it? Yes. And how many words? There's 2 words. Are there stripes on the sleeves? No. So now, based on what they said up here, what they know, which one did she buy? Okay, well, stripes on the sleeves. Okay, so it could be either 1 or 2. It's definitely not going to be 3 because there's no stripes on the sleeves. So it's definitely not number 3. It has 4 words and a picture. Here's the column with the words. And look, right here is the one, shirt number 2 is the one that says it has 4 words. So guess what? We know that that is the shirt that she bought. And then just to make sure, then we also want to know, let's see. Oh, I skipped this one up here. It has a stripe on the sleeves. So here's the, oh, no, I did that one. Oh, and here it is, a picture on it. Number 1 does not have a picture on it, but number 2, yes. And number 3 has a picture on it, but it didn't have the stripes on the sleeve. So it's not number 1, it is number 2. Okay, so then when you check, is my answer reasonable? Explain. Yes, it has all of the things down here in our table that it says it has up here. So that is reasonable. All right, let's look at another problem to solve here. A first grade classroom collects 11 cans. A second grade class collects 5 cans. Sounds like our food drive, doesn't it? And then it says, how many more cans did the first grade class collect compared to the second grade class? So we're going to be doing, oh, look down here. Yep, we're going to be doing a subtraction problem because we're comparing and finding the difference. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. All right, so again, let's underline what we know. A first grade class collects 11 cans. We also know that a second grade class collects 5 cans. Okay, what do we want to know? Or what do we want to find out? We want to find out how many more cans did the first grade class collect compared to the second. So our plan, how are we going to solve this? We're going to make a table, okay? Here's first grade and here's second grade. First grade, second grade. How many cans did first grade collect? 11. How many cans did second grade collect? 5. Okay, up here, 11 and 5. Now what we need to make a subtraction sentence so that we can compare and find the difference. Okay, which number needs to go before the minus, the 11 or the 5? I hope you said the 11 because it's the bigger number. The bigger number always has to go before the minus. Okay, and so then that means the 5 is going to go here. So 11 minus 5, you can either count back to find that, or you can draw counters. 11 counters. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then put X's on 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's how many we're taking away. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that means the first grade class collected 6 more cans. Okay, is our answer reasonable? Yeah. Okay, our subtraction sentence makes sense. All right, and it was first grade that collected 6 more cans than second grade. Okay, now on the next few slides, okay, I had to make this pretty tiny in order for you to see the table and the questions all in one slide. So, just do your best to write as small as you can. And yeah, I'll be reading the things to you. All right. Good luck.